Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. I hope you're all in good health, grateful for everything you have, and you are happy and energetic today. So another new day, beautiful day in front of us, doing a lot of good things, and we are in our social studies class. Yay. Okay. So I hope you understand the concept of economics, which we are learning these days about the needs and the wants. And now you understand, being a responsible child, that what you need actually and what you want, from which like you can survive without those things even for a while. Okay. That's great. And because you're very responsible, so I hope you're washing your hands frequently, you're patting them dry, sanitizing them, you're not going out if there is no reason. And if you're going out, you are covering your face with the mask, right? That is again very important. So I hope, being a responsible child, you understand the importance of doing all these, following all these SOPs, right? And keeping yourself happy, healthy, and safe. Because, excuse me, because we are responsible for our body to keep it healthy and happy, right? So I'm going to show you a video on the needs and wants which we are learning these days, right? So I'm going to share my screen with you, showing you the video. Now let's see. Dad, we need to eat now. There's a burger shop right there. But Dad, I want to buy new shoes.
Now listen, kids, we need to eat because we are really hungry. And before I leave for office, we need to eat. You want your shoes. You will get your shoes, but more importantly, what we need is more important, is to eat. And what you want can be done later.
Yes. Okay, see? Now in this video, what Papa is saying, when the child said we're hungry and we want to eat, the other child said, I want to have new shoes. So father said that it is more important to eat the food. Why? Because we're hungry and we cannot survive without the food. But yes, we are going to buy the new shoes, but if you want it, we can take them later on. But right now, what important is what we need, not what we want. So what we need is food, because that is going to give us energy. We'll be able to work, we'll be able to play, we'll be able to think, we're able to see properly, to do our everything like your job and all that properly. So we need to eat first. And then later on, we'll go and buy the new shoes, because we can survive for a while, for a couple of days or even months without the shoes. Yes. So I hope that you all now understand the concept of need and want. Okay, now I'm going to show you a picture that we are going to sort and see that whether you can catch up with those things, you understand the concept of what you need and what you want. Okay, so uh, I'm going to show you this picture, okay? Right, so we have to sort the things to just, this is to just reinforce. I just want to see whether you have picked up the concept or not, okay? Now we are going to start from here. I am going to show you the picture, okay, one by one. There is a big page, and I'm going to show you the picture right now, okay? I'm going to show you small pictures. Okay, now have a look at this. Okay, now have a look at this. Now, what is this? It's a football. Yes. Now, what do you think? How can you sort football, crayons, bread, and blanket? There are four things: football, crayons, bread, and blanket. Now you are going to tell me which is the need and which is the want. Okay, what about the football? Is it the need? We cannot survive without it, or want? Yes, this is the need. We need to play, right? Okay, now look at this. Crayons, colors, paints. We did that? Yes, this is also a need. Bread. You need to feed us. Yes, this is the need. And the blanket? Yes, that is also the need. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to show you another picture, right? You're going to have a look at that and you're going to sort that, okay? Now, the first one is the teddy bear, a soft toy, right? Then, excuse me, teddy bear, sandwich, milk, and jeans, right? So now, can you survive without the toys? Yes, we can, right? Yes. Excuse me, right? Yes, but food, we need the food. Milk, yes, we need the food, and milk is also food. So need, want, and clothing. Yes, we need clothing. It's not that we have like 10 jeans. We can even survive with 2 jeans only, right? So this is what we need. Okay, right. I'm going to show you another set of pictures. Candies, shoes, house, and medicine. Yes. Now, candies, want. Yes. Shoes, no, sorry, socks. Yes, this is we want. We can survive without that even. We cannot survive without shoes, but yes, we can survive without socks. Then house, yes, we need the shelter, very important. And medicine, yes, that is even important for our survival. We cannot survive without medicines even, right? Yes. Okay, now another set of picture. Now strawberries, coat, salad, and shoes. Now strawberries are good, but we can survive without strawberries. We can even eat like fruits and vegetables and roti and bread. So if we don't get strawberries, we can live without strawberries. But yes, we want to have strawberry shake and strawberry ice cream, and we want to eat strawberries. So yes, this is the want. Coat, yes. In the weather, when if it's we have to wear the coat, we cannot survive without the coat. Yes, we need the coat. What about the salad? Salad is good. Yes, we should eat healthy. But if we don't have daily, we cannot eat salad, that's okay. We cannot survive without the salad. Shoes, very important. We need to have shoes. We cannot survive without the shoes, right? And then water, video game, shirt, and board game. Right? We have different board games. So this is the set of pictures which are looking at this: water, then a video game, your t-shirt, and the board game. Can we live without board game? Yes. Can we live without video game even? Yes. But can we live without the water? No, we cannot live without the water. And the clothing as well. Right? Yes. So now you got to know, and you can sort what are the things which we need and what are the things which we want to make our and our parents' life even more comfortable and easy. Why? Because like you are asking for the things sometimes your parents cannot manage. And then They don't feel good that they cannot arrange that thing for you, which you really want to have, and they even want to give you. So please, you need to understand the fact that they're working so hard, but you need to understand what are the things which you really, 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 really need. Your parents are providing you, but there are some things which you only want to make your life enjoyable and comfortable, and you are enjoying in that, right? So I hope you understood being a responsible child. So, being a responsible child, don't forget to wash your hands. And being a responsible child, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Okay? So, I'm going to say you goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful what you have. Right? So, I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.